In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Confluence to Jira. We'll walk through two practical workflows. First, linking a Confluence space to a Jira project so your team can see relevant documentation right inside Jira. And second, adding a single Confluence page link directly to a specific issue for quick reference. Start by heading to https:/www.atlassian.com/software-jira and log into your Jira account. Once you're in, open the project you want to connect. At the top, look along the upper ribbon, sometimes called the project navigation. Click Pages. If no Confluence space is currently linked, you'll see a prompt to connect. Go ahead and choose Connect to Confluence. A search bar appears so you can find the right space. Begin typing the name of the Confluence space you want, and when it shows up, select it and click Connect. This creates a bridge between the project and the space, making it easier for your team to browse and reference documentation without leaving Jira. If the space doesn't appear, you may not have permission to view it, so double check access with your workspace admins. Now let's link a specific Confluence page to a Jira issue. This is handy when a ticket depends on a particular spec, meeting notes, or a runbook. Open Confluence in another browser tab and navigate to the document you want to share. Next to the page title, click the three dots to open more options and copy the link. That gives you a clean, shareable URL for this page. Switch back to your Jira tab, find the card, sometimes called the ticket that you're working on, open it, click inside the description box to start editing, and paste the URL you just copied. Jira recognizes standard links, so your teammates can click through immediately from the issue to the exact Confluence page you referenced. This keeps context right where the work happens and reduces back and forth. To recap, you've connected a Confluence space to a Jira project for broad, ongoing visibility, and you've attached a single Confluence page link to a specific issue for pinpoint context. These two simple habits make projects clearer, faster, and easier to collaborate on across tools. Thanks for watching.